VTS Cloud is an advanced platform that enables remote control, monitoring, and diagnostics of Vts Air Handling Units. It gives users complete access to their VTS Group units from anywhere in the world. The VTS Cloud consists of the following key components: MHMI Pro Portal, a web-based expanded version of the MHMI app accessible from any browser. It provides advanced analytics and diagnostic capabilities. MHMI Mobile Application. It allows users to start, monitor, and manage the operation of Vts units, available for Android and iOS devices. Communication device collects real-time data from the air handling units, enabling immediate analysis and performance tracking. VTS Cloud delivers a comprehensive suite of features aimed at enhancing the energy efficiency, operational reliability, and user convenience of Vts units, including advanced energy monitoring and optimization, intelligent control, remote diagnostics and maintenance, as well as dedicated after-sale support. Vts units offer versatile connectivity options to the VTS Cloud platform, including GSM, Wi-Fi, and Ethernet. The system enables full network configuration, allowing concurrent communication with both VTS Cloud and local building management systems, ensuring uninterrupted local access while fully utilizing remote management capabilities. VTS Cloud is a step into the future, making air handling units management easier, faster, and more efficient.